Vedat Steel Wire Sdn Bhd is a steel wire manufacturing company based in Ipoh, Perak. We specialize in steel wire and wire mesh manufacturing, and the bulk of these products are used in construction, manufacturing, mining, geotechnical engineering, housing, agricultural industries, and so on. We have been in the industry for nearly 4 decades. We believe it is time to innovate and improve our production process. To ensure consistent and high-quality goods, we would like to introduce automation to our company. Automation is something that we believe could change the wire industry exceptionally. Since it's our first time using a robotic product, there are many concerns involved, especially when it comes to operating and handling the robot. Perhaps is there any solution that KUKA can provide to address this issue?
Hi Mr. Kwan, we are excited to hear that Vedat Steel Wire is interested to start using industrial robots for wire mesh production. Fortunately, we do have the perfect solution for you. We have been offering customers our robotic solutions as well as after-sales service to ensure optimal customer satisfaction. For first-time users, it's quite common for you to have these concerns. We would like to introduce you to a product called KUKA QWIK, which addressed all your concerns when it comes to setting the robot up accurately, maintaining them, as well as operating them. Let our team guide you through. As a start, KUKA QWIK offers site startup, extended warranty, training classes for the operators, certifications, hotline support, as well as additional accessories. Step 1. Firstly, KUKA QWIK can be purchased together with a new robot. After the process, our representative will get in touch with you to understand your installation requirement. Step 2. A customized prerequisite sheet will be created to guide you on the necessary on-site preparation so that your factory is prepared for the robot installation. Step 3. Upon completion of the prerequisites, a suitable installation date will be arranged. Step 4. Our team will make a site visit and start the commissioning process. Based on our criteria, we will ensure that the robots are able to perform the tasks without any...
Great! Let's proceed with the purchase of a new robot bundle with KUKA QWIK.
My name is Bing. I'm responsible for the on-site startup and calibration. Normally, the process of the installation starts with the comprehensive pre-installation checklist with the KUKA global standard. It's easier to understand and apply. After that, the robot is set up. We will do the calibration by EMT, which is the electronic mastering tools, to ensure the robot performs in the best possible condition. In the process, we will also provide on-site training to your staff to make sure that the operators and the engineering team understand the requirement to operate a robot. The training includes the basic fault diagnostic and troubleshooting guidance. Since you purchase the KUKA QWIK regular package, you also come with the 3 high-quality accessories. We provide the KUKA Recovery USB with the recovery software. The Recovery USB makes the backing up and restoration of the controller's software extremely easy and can be done in just a few minutes. Other than that, the SmartPad protection screen guard will be installed on the SmartPad and is perfect for operating in rough environments. It is scratch registered, highly transparent, and non-reflecting, which can make your operating system through the SmartPad a lot easier.
Congratulations on your first robot purchase, Mr. Kwan. Here's the official certificate to validate successful calibration and installation of your robot.
Thank you, Alan. I didn't know the process could be so easy. I'm glad the robot is working well now, but what if I need support in the future?
KUKA QWIK package also comes with an additional warranty of 6 months on top of the existing new robot purchase warranty. You will get to enjoy additional protection of parts and service. Other than that, our team will be supporting you in case of any unforeseen circumstances where your robots malfunction. There's a 24 hours hotline support available where our qualified technical support will be answering your call regarding your robot. In an emergency, one thing matters most: reducing downtime to a minimum.
This is good. It means that I don't need to worry even during holidays or when my production is running at its peak.
KUKA QWIK also comes with additional training for your staff. Let me explain more. Trained, qualified personnel are the most valuable asset in any industry. Professional training courses from KUKA are tailored to the specific requirements of the customer. For KUKA QWIK Regular, we offer a complete 2-day operational training to your employees. Professional training courses from KUKA are tailored to the specific requirements of the customers. This includes basic training for first startup according to safety standards, as well as basic fault diagnostic and troubleshooting guidance. Throughout the 2 days of intensive training, your staff will learn through various robotics courses, such as programming basic inline forms at the user level, knowing how to execute the programs and keep production running smoothly following the safety standards, as well as learning to safely retract the robot following faults and restart the system and minimize downtime. In this training, all instructors will provide practical training. They have many years of experience and are trained in teaching methodology. Modular in structure, the seminars enable step-by-step qualification based on certified quality standards. Upon completion of the training, they will receive a certified KUKA operator training certificate.
Thanks for the introduction of KUKA QWIK. I'm glad that KUKA offers after-sales service to help us to automate our factory easily and achieve more production output without worrying about technical difficulties.
It's our pleasure to be able to work with you in WAITA's automation journey. We trust that KUKA QWIK will bring various benefits to your automation system.
Industrial intelligence.